Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. So today in this particular video, I wanted to announce one certain things. Okay, there are a lot of things that bringing in the simultaneously is going on. There is a data analysis is going on. Something a lot of curious things will be going to happen. Then you will be trying to learn a lot of stuffs. Okay, so one part playlist is going on uh, for semester student computer science students who wanted to who are just getting started to the programming, right? So they need to start with one programming language at least basically. Okay, so as in the universities what happens basically, to just pass the exam or understanding, at least I am making that perspective. So they will be well prepared enough with one programming language. Then second year, third year, they will be picking up any particular like in a one first year you have to select two programming language, one programming language as a problem solving tool, and another one is as a development for building your own projects. All right, so this is like this is all together. So I wanted to talk about systematic approach for C programming and data structures. And in today in this particular video, we will be going to understand about introduction to computer and the languages. All right, so let's get started with the introduction part. So you will try to understand a lot. Okay, introduction to computers and languages. So today in this particular video, we will be going to discuss about an introduction part. Just a simple mini videos I will be going to record it so that it makes more sense to see whole video. Okay. So in a chunks you will be going to see, and lot of people will be going to understand a lot. So if you see a computers, right, computers are used everywhere. Let's say you take a home, you take a office, whether you take your colleges, whether you take whatever it is, right? So if you take a college's shop or a small kirana shop, so they also has this particular computer in the sense of smartphone as well. We can consider it off or whatever it is, right? So computers are everywhere. So it is a field of engineering, right? So how it works, how we have to use a computer, how to operate that, everything we need to discuss, think about it. So this is what all about the introductory part about it. So in the next video we'll discuss about what's a computer is all about, and we'll try to understand. All right, so it will be very practical, very understandable, so you don't have to go anywhere. So expect it will be not theoretical, you will be understanding a lot more things, right? So you will be get hands on about it. So what's a programming is all about, whatever the things is all about, each and everything you will be going to understand in this series. So whoever who is in the first semester, who is in the first year of the college, who just starting out of the engineering, so you this is the series where you will be going to learn a lot of